talking? Are you talking? What are you telling me? Are you telling me a story? Hmm? Are you telling me a story? Can you smile for me? Let's get your face over in the light. There we go. That's better. That's better. Let's see how big you are. Oh my goodness, look how big you are. Look how big you are. Really? Really? Uh-huh. You're just learning how to use your voice, huh? You just figured it all out. You just figured it all out, didn't you? Didn't you? Oh, yeah? Okay, let's go have some tummy time. Are you ready? Are you ready for tummy time? Are you ready? Okay, let's do it.